Aberfan gan Ysgol Hendy.
A tribute to Aberfan by Ysgol Hendy. Mansell, a medical student who travelled home to Aberfan that day. It sounds odd to say it now, but what it resembled, that scene, was like something from the gold rush. Like one of these old photos, where every man has staked out his pitch to respect for wealth. Except these men were digging for something else, and for something more precious too, their little ones. Their sons, daughters, nephews, nieces still stuck in that school. I walked onto it all, the slurry like dark cement, asked if I could help.
But there was no one to treat. That's what the local GP said. At least, not yet, not from under that rubble. Soon enough though, those diggers were getting into trouble. Most had never worked so hard in their life, so began collapsing within their chests.
I did my best to see them right, to treat his sprains, cuts, but it wasn't enough. How could it be in that landscape of pain, with that great black tongue lolling out to the mist, and just there, nearby, the mothers, holding each other, knee-deep in the grit, looking on at what that slipping tip had done.